Hello everyone. Today, we'll go over the latest 2026 version of the Bitget mobile app, covering account registration, deposits, and futures trading in a clear and easy way. Let's begin right away. First, I'll show you how to create a Bitget account. Please download the Bitget app on your mobile device. Once the download is complete, launch the Bitget app. To start creating your account, tap Get Started. You can register using either your email address or your phone number. Next, tap the referral code input field. If you enter the referral code *3, you can receive a 50% trading fee discount and 20% cashback, along with additional bonus rewards. Now, check all the required agreement boxes below. For the second agreement, please scroll down to review it. Then tap Next. Follow the order of the icons shown in the upper left corner, and choose the matching images displayed on the screen. A verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. Enter the verification code you received. After that, create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Once all the steps are completed, your account registration will be successfully done. Now, let's move on to identity verification. Identity verification is required to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bitget, so please make sure to complete this step. Tap the Verify button located in the center of the screen. Then select Verify Now again. First, choose your nationality. Then select your country or region of residence. Next, select the type of identification document you will use. From the available options, choose the ID you currently have. I will choose a passport. Prepare your ID and tap I'm ready. To upload your document, tap Take a picture. Align your passport's information page within the frame, ensuring there are no reflections or shadows. Next, proceed with facial recognition to verify your identity. Position your face within the camera frame, and follow the instructions, such as nodding your head or blinking your eyes. After completing these steps, the identity verification process will be finished. The review usually takes up to 1 hour. Once approved, you can confirm that your verification status shows as verified. Next, we will set up Google Authenticator for additional security. Go back to the main home screen. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right corner. To set up your security settings, open the security menu. Select Google Authenticator. A message will appear asking you to install the Google Authenticator app. Download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the download is complete, tap Next in the Bitget app. The Google Authenticator setup page will appear. You will see a 16-digit Bitget setup key displayed on the screen. First, copy this 16-digit key. Then open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner, and select Enter as setup key. For the account name, type Bitget, and paste the copied 16-digit key into your key field. Tap Add. A 6-digit verification code labeled Bitget will now be generated. Copy this 6-digit code, and return to the Bitget app. Enter the code into the Google Authenticator verification field. Your Google Authenticator has now been successfully enabled. Second, I will guide you through the process of depositing funds into Bitget. There are several deposit methods available on Bitget, but in this tutorial, I will explain the peer-to-peer trading method. From the main screen, tap Assets at the bottom right corner. At the top, you will notice 2 different wallet sections. The spot wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading, while the futures wallet is used exclusively for futures trading. To deposit cryptocurrency, choose Spot. Tap Add Funds. Then select Peer-to-peer trading. You can also tap Add Funds directly from the home screen, and choose Peer-to-peer trading from the menu. The peer-to-peer trading page will then appear. Change the transaction type to buy in order to purchase cryptocurrency. Tap the button on the right side to select the fiat currency you want to use. Tap the button next to it to select the cryptocurrency you would like to purchase. USDT is usually the most commonly used option, because it offers high liquidity and fast transfer speed. Tap Limit to enter the amount you plan to purchase. Tap Method to select your preferred payment method. A list of sellers that match your conditions will appear below. For safer transactions, it is recommended to choose sellers with a high number of completed transactions and a strong completion rate. Select the seller you prefer and tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase and confirm your payment method. Before continuing, read the seller's terms carefully. Tap Buy USDT with 0 fees. Review the price and quantity carefully, then tap Next. The seller's payment details will then be displayed. Check the information carefully and review any chat messages from the seller before sending payment. Verify the payment details one more time and complete the transfer. After sending the payment, return to the Bitget app and tap Paid. Once the seller confirms the payment, the cryptocurrency will be released to your spot wallet. To verify the deposited cryptocurrency, go back to the Bitget home screen, tap Assets at the bottom right, and select Spot. You will then see that the cryptocurrency has been successfully credited to your account. Third, I will walk you through how to trade futures on Bitget. To begin futures trading, you must first transfer your assets from the Spot wallet to the futures wallet. Tap Spot. Then choose Transfer to move your funds. Set the transfer direction from Spot to USDT M futures. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Enter the amount you would like to move. And tap Confirm. After a brief moment, the transferred funds will appear in your futures wallet. Now, to access the futures trading section, tap Futures at the bottom right of the screen. The futures trading interface will appear. Tap the button in the top left corner to select your desired trading pair. Tap the chart icon on the right to check the price chart of the chosen asset. Then return to the trading screen. Tap this option to set the margin mode. Cross mode uses your entire available margin for the position, while isolated mode limits the margin to a fixed amount per position. For those new to futures trading, isolated mode is usually considered safer. Tap the nearby button to change your leverage level. Leverage can be set up to 150x. Although higher leverage can increase potential profits, it also greatly increases the risk of large losses. Therefore, beginners are encouraged to use lower leverage. Tap this button to choose the order type. A limit order executes at a price you set, whereas a market order is executed immediately at the current market price. Next, enter the desired price and quantity. Your available margin balance is displayed in this section. Tap this button to decide your position direction. If you believe the price will go up, select Open Long. If you think the price will go down, select Open Short. After opening your position, tap Positions at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can check the details of your active trade. Row shows your current return on equity. Tap the plus button next to Margin to add or remove margin. Entry price refers to the price where the position was opened. Mark price indicates the current market reference price. And Liq price represents your estimated liquidation price. If the market reaches the liquidation price, your position will be closed automatically. Next, tap TPSL to set your take profit and stop loss. Finally, tap Close to exit the position. Choosing Market will close the trade at the current market price, while selecting Limit will close it at your specified price. Enter the closing price and quantity. Then tap Confirm. Your futures position will now be fully closed. Today, based on the latest version of the Bitget mobile app in 2026, we looked into account subscriptions, deposits, and futures transactions. If you run into any problems or have questions while following along, please feel free to leave a comment, and I will respond as quickly as possible. Thank you sincerely for watching.